Hi, in this video I'd like to show you about our 9x9 modular matrix switcher. And right now you can see here's the matrix switcher, and we have one HDMI input and two HDBaseT output. For the outputs, right now we can support the bidirectional IR. So right now we have two IR transmitter here, and also the two line cable. And the output one is over here, out to 70 meters, and to this receiver here. And also this receiver can support the POC function. You can see we only have the LAN cable, HDMI output, and an IR transmitter here. For the outputs also the same. We have a line cable up to 70 meters, and this is the receiver, an HDMI output, and this one is the IR transmitter, then this to the TV. So right now here we have a remote control for both TV. So if we put the remote control under the table, we actually can see we cannot control the TVs. If we're going to increase the volume, we can say it's not working. So if we just move these two IR receiver and we just stick on the under the table, and we're going to increase the volume. You can see it's working. We mute. Muting. But once we just remove the then we try again. You can see it's not working. Okay, thank you so much.